PayPal site, and this is how to get ahead and set it up, how to log into your account. And if you stroll down here, you'll see it'll say PayPal account benefits, how to set it up, the account, the recovery, how to send some money. Move over towards this way a little bit. It'll tell you account holders and the benefits, how to get and transfer money, how to get ahead and get fast checkouts, and yes, they have an awards. Now back over here, it says set up PayPal. So let's go into setup like we don't have an account. Okay, now we're at to how to set up your PayPal account. You must have a valid email because that's how they do the PayPal. And then you set that up, you add all your information like your address, a very good password. And then it will tell you step by step on the instructions to add a credit card, add a bank account. You need this to be able to transfer funds from one person to the other or to be able to get a debit card. So you need some form of debit or whatever. At the bottom of this page, you can add another debit card, you can add another bank account. Sign up is free into my account. So let's go here like we have an account. Add your email and your password, then log in. There's my PayPal right there. Scroll down on this page all the way to the bottom till you see help. Hit that help. If you look over here, all of a sudden a little help box show up. And the reason why I'm taking you over here because it's much easier to go right here and set up a PayPal link than to stroll through everything. And if you notice as you go through here, these are all recommended for you. It'll tell you about questions that you may have. But there's your PayPal mobile app. There's your payments, your products and services, your credit. You want that merchant service. That's what you want to hit on. Once you hit that merch service button, then a menu of merch services will come down. Because you need to know what type of business that you're going to get ahead and do for your merch. If you're going to do nonprofit or organization, or you're just going to accept me, I'm going to do accept donations. Another little menu. And then it will tell you how to set up for nonprofit, giving, accept donations. How can I roll? I'm going to ask, how can I accept donations? It will get ahead and tell you. This is how donations are confirmed for charities. In case you have an organization or a charity. Scroll down. And then it will tell you about PayPal button. It's convenient, cost, collection, donation, online. It'll tell you step-by-step guides how to create a donation button. Set up. Just hit that word, donation button. This will come up and it'll say, make a PayPal button. Which button would you like to add? Select one you need and they will guide you through the setup. And then it shows you. This one is for inventory and tracking your inventory. So if you have merch and you want to track your merch, then this is what you need to hit. This is sell multiple items. If you're selling things on eBay, Amazon, as well as your merch, you may want to hit this button. And this is something that you may see on a lot of people YouTube channels. They're asking just a donation. Then this way they can get ahead and keep their channel running. This is not just for YouTube, but if you have a website, this is great. Totally great for that as well. And this right here just set up current changes and the amount of goods and services. So I'm going to go over here and I'm going to hit donation. Make your donation button. And then it'll ask you what country, what language. Use PayPal button style, large, small. Use own button image. Now, a lot of people want to get and go on the internet and choose a button image. I don't suggest that because a couple of years ago, they had a lot of people who was hacking the button systems. So I just stick with the basic use PayPal button. Now, if you notice over here, still will tell you about the charities and stuff because we're still in the help section. Okay. Here, hit continue. They do the HTML button code now, which includes the reference of a PayPal account. So, let's close this window right here. There we go. Now we have the bigger screen. PayPal, so you know where to send the money. We recommend using the encrypted, see that word? Encrypted, okay? Account ID. So see, use your ID, and that one is recommended. So your email address isn't visible to spammers. This button is intended for fundraising. It is not raise money for a cause. Choose another option. If you're looking for charities, this is not the button. But if you're looking for donation, hit this button here. Okay, this is how you make your donation button. U.S. currency. You have the right to request a certain amount or just let them donate whatever they would like to donate. I put any amount, but you can put an exact amount, $20 or whatever. Then hit finish and get your code. Once you get ahead and get the code, it is a HTML link. See the link? It's a link, not a button. As of March, YouTube does not allow annotations, so you're no longer able to get a button for PayPal Me. You must use the link. These are approved fundraising sites. These that's listed, you are able to get a button because they are approved by YouTube. However, of course, that even though these are, you still have to follow certain rules and certain postings that has to do with a lot of other things. But here's a list of those that is approved for fundraising that you can still add a button to. Now, don't get confused with this PayPal button because this PayPal button right here is for your merchandise. You will receive an HTML, but this is to help you keep track if you got merch and you're selling that and you need a button for a payment. This is a payment button, and you can get ahead and read this. This has nothing to do with your PayPal Me link. If you'd like me to do a video on this, hit me up in the comments.